Okay, so this is spaced pair. On the right, we have this 163 centimeters high, and we have the same for the left one, 163 centimeters high to the bottom. Both those are to the bottom. We have, in terms of distance from the center of the ensemble, it's 2.5 meters back, and the left and right space pair are 7.5 meters wide. If we go now to the XY, we have these 94 centimeters high to the bottom of the first one, and then obviously we have a 90-degree angle. For those we're using a Rhodes pair. The next we have the ORTF, so we have the angle of 110 degrees pointing to the outsides of the ensemble. We have those 109 centimeters to the bottom. Then we have the dummy head. The dummy head is approximately 1.5 meters high to the bottom. 146 centimeters high actually. Yeah, so 146 centimeters high to the bottom. Then in terms of the chairs, we have the middle chair 180 centimeters back from the first instances of mics. We have the cello chair 82 centimeters from the edge of the chair to the edge of the chair. There's a distance of 180 centimeters from cello to violin, and 102 centimeters from corner to corner. Okay, so if we follow the signal flow, we've got 8 cables from the 3 pairs and from the dummy head going into our production room. So they're coming into the mixer. So as you can see, we have 1 to 8. Now they're obviously hardwired into here. So we have them the half-inch jacks, or quarter-inch jacks. Sorry, 1 to 8. They're coming pre-fader from the mixer into the Mo2. Okay. From the Mo2 then we've got Firewire 400 going from the Mo2 into the laptop. Now as the MacBook Pro has Firewire 800, we've got the converter there, and that's going into the laptop. There's our gain settings. So on the first one it's about 1/3, 2/3, 2/3 for the rest of it. So as I said, that's going pre-fader, so none of these faders do anything. Okay, so we have our logic setup here. So we have the dummy head 1 and 2. So we have dummy head 1, dummy head 2, track 3 is the spaced pair, and track 4 also. Then ORTF is 5 and 6 left and right, and the XY is 7 and 8. Then we have our stereo out. Okay, and that's our setup.